she runs like a champ. What is up, guys? TK here, back with TK's Garage, and we're going to do something a little different today. We're actually going to go pick up a car from Facebook Marketplace. I've been going back and forth with the person since I've been here. It is a 1998, I believe is what they said. I have to look at the listing, or I'll try to post it here in the video. Cadillac Sedan Deville D'Elegance, whatever that is. I have no idea. But that is the name of the car. It is green. It looks like it does have some paint issues, but you guys will get to see it here in a few minutes. Anyways, enough of me flapping my gums. Let's go pick up this new car. What's up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage, and today I have something special for you guys. This, while you can't see the gauge does not work at all. The transmission is not really slipping. Hold on, let me adjust my... Wow, this dude's got his thing wide open. Let me get my mirror straight. Damn, man. So I can at least see what the hell's going on around me. All right, so this is a Cadillac Deville something, Regal something. So this car was actually on Facebook Marketplace. This car went for the low price. It's 94 degrees outside. There is no AC. She's just blowing nothing but hot air. Let's see how she runs. Oh, listen to that North Star, baby. Listen to that North Star, baby. Yeah. Oh, I gotta be honest though, I'm kind of happy about this, man. So this car was an old lady's car. She died. The car has been sitting around for over 2 years. They finally just got done. The guy's, the son, I guess, is a mechanic. He just did the head bolts, which is the biggest issue that you can have on these North Stars. But he can't figure out the electrical issue, which I'm betting you it's a damn fuse. I doubt the cluster just went bad, but maybe it did. I don't know. Maybe some of you Cadillac people can let me know. But the cluster might have went bad. I don't know. We're gonna go run this thing through the car wash and see what she really looks like when it's all said and done. I think, look, I mean, she's got 290 miles of range. The interior is not completely shot, right? She's not completely destroyed. It's also not perfect either, you know? But I'm kind of happy. I mean, no AC, so I know I'm either going to have to charge it. I'm hoping it's just that, but I know it's not. It's probably going to need a compressor or something else, right? But for 250 bucks, for 250 bucks, and she runs and drives, I can't fucking complain, man. Oh. I'm so happy with this right now. I'm afraid though, because I also don't know if her throttle response is great. If I can actually jump out here into traffic. Yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna have to go. Man, she runs like a champ. All right, I might have to turn this AC off, being that it ain't doing shit. No sunroof. I'm a little concerned about not having a speedometer. All the inspection stickers from the Northeast have been peeled off here. This car originated out of New York. Now that would mean rust, right? We're gonna get to that in a minute. There's one rust spot on the roof that is concerning to me, but I think I can grind it out and fill it, and it'll be all right. I don't see any other rust on the body, but again, a running and driving car. Look, the alignment is straight. She's not pulling to either side of the road. Now the road is angled like this, so she does lean this way, but it's a boat. It's one of the last like big giant boats that were out there. And the air ride, I guess the self-lever, this thing is like this thing is like riding on a cloud, man. Who remembers these big boats like this? This is so cool, man. I'm just like, I don't have words that can express how happy I am about this little pickup. Now, you guys are going to say, well, TK, what are you going to do with this big old Cadillac? What do you mean what I'm going to do with this Cadillac? I'm going to drive it. I'm going to get the AC fixed. I'm probably going to get some paint. And this is going to be my gangster mobile, you know? For real, I don't think I could drive a car like this, though, with no AC, with these leather seats. My ass is literally sticking to the seat right now. But look at the interior and stuff. Look at this boat, and I'm like this. I'm like leaned back. This is like the lean back car. Like, oh, and to be for real though, look at the leg room. It's not like I have a ton of room. My feet are still angled like this, and the seat is all the way back. Like, it's all the way to the floor, all the way back. I mean, I got room, but I'm not leaned out like I would be like in a Corvette or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I believe it or not, I could fit in like a Camaro or a Corvette better than I could fit in this Cadillac, which makes no sense at all. You know, none at all. And look at the instant MPG. I mean, 70. This has got to be broken. 29. I mean, she's consistently averaging about 30 miles per gallon. This big ass boat. And as far as not having a speedometer, I mean, in the very near interim, I could literally just put a phone on like a GPS speedometer or something on it, and I'd be all right, you know? I don't know if I have brake lights or not. I see people almost rear-ending the shit out of me. We're going to run this thing through the car wash because it needs it and see if she has any leaks. Now, we have to get the car clean, so we're doing that now at this point. Oh, man. Also getting this weird range thing where to say 200 miles of range and then back down to low, which is weird. One of the better car wash places here, Sparkle and Shine, in the Daytona Beach area. That's where this one's at. It's pretty good. Now I'm literally, you can see the sweat on me, man. I'm sweating like a pig. I'm in this car with no AC, roasting as we go through the car wash to get her all cleaned up. Oof. Yeah, another toggle there just went crazy, but like everything back here just started shaking. I think these are the mirrors. Oh, they are the mirrors. Oh, wow. They're coming apart. I probably shouldn't have screwed with that, right? Yep, there it is. All right, we're gonna have to try to fix that. Damn it. Just came out. That sucks. Wow, all the lights went out on the car for a second. Weird. That was very weird. All right, let's take a look and see what she looks like now that she's had a car wash. Give you guys a look at the exterior of the car, and then you guys can let me know what you guys think. Roll these windows down because I'm roasting. Whoo, air. Ah, she's hot. Park her right here, long ways. Let's get some pics of the outside, baby. Let's go. There you have it, guys. This is what she looks like here from the side. The entire car looks really, really good, if you ask me. No significant damage. Now I see like this tail light is pushed in, but these lights are a problem. They're known to be, but it's not something that I couldn't just take care of. Little ding here in the trunk. Trunk does work. Everything works just fine. You know, tires look really good, right? I don't see any dry rot or anything like that on them. Tires look good. She's not running like shit. It's a D'Elegance, right? With the gold badging. Stuff like this, I can like hot glue gun. Like I can put this back in, right? Hot glue gun that down and we're good to go. Nothing major, right? This is DeVille. This is the major issue on the car. See the paint? And this is some kind of like plastic, whatever. I don't even think this is metal. Is it metal? No, this is a metal piece. I know GM were using these plastic fenders on cars, but you can see the paint came right off. So paint for sure. And I probably will just paint the whole front of the car, you know, or just paint the whole car. You can see the rubber here around the lights is cracking and coming apart, but nothing crazy, right? Somebody's hit something here in the front, but nothing crazy, man. Nothing crazy at all. I'm really happy with how this thing turned out. Now let me give you guys a view of the motor and all that good stuff. This is the V8 32 valve North Star. All of the fluids and stuff on this are good. You don't hear any ticking, any major issues. Like I said, the head bolts on this were just done. You know, everything on here looks really good. You know, the belts look good. Look, the tensioner pulley looks good. All the stuff that I would be super concerned about in here, that's actually really good. And I didn't know this was, I thought this might have been a timing chain, but I'm guessing it's a timing belt. And according to the sun and looking at the belt, it looks, you know, it's got brand new, you can even see it here as it goes around. Like the belt for the timing has recently been done, so I'm not concerned about that. The little thing that it had in the front, there's no damage. You can see everything on this thing looks really, really good for what it is. The hood is definitely faded. It's gonna need, like I said, it's gonna need paint. The car's definitely gonna need paint. The rims and stuff look really nice. The factory Cadillac rims look really good. Not a lot of pitting and stuff on the rims. Now the area I'm concerned about is this rust spot right here on the roof and this rust spot right here, which already has a little bit of penetration. Now I think I could probably grind these out and fill them in because it's gonna have to get paint. You got some rust here, but look, for the most part, there's no rust on the frame. There's no rust under the doors. You know what I'm saying? Stuff where you would expect to see rust, you don't see any. Now there's some surface rust right here, but no like bubbled rust for a car that you would see that would come out of, like, say, New York. This bumper needs to be snapped in, but look, nothing at all. I'm impressed. I think I got a good deal. 250 bucks, you know, some hot glue to tighten up these trim. I think I did pretty good. This goes to show you that everything does not have to come from COPART. Even if COPART was shut down, this car is still a good deal. 250 bucks. Where else are you going to pick a car up for 250 bucks that runs and drives? Is this one perfect? Nah, it's not. But look at the throttle response. It's there, right? It's not misfiring. It's not having any of those known issues you would get. And it needs a couple things. It needs the instrument cluster fixed, right? Maybe it's just a fuse. I'll have to get into that. It's got a couple rust spots and it needs paint. So 250 bucks. If I end up getting into this car and I end up being in this car for say I end up being in this car for say, I don't know, 800 bucks, right? Or 1,000 bucks. I still can sell this car for probably $2,500 if I want to. And everything on it works. The radio works.
So you only pay for what you need.
Certitude. But don't you call me that, cause it come with.
So things that I would be concerned about, like, you know, normal stuff, radio, everything, all the seats work, all the windows work. It needs AC. I'm gonna hope that it just needs to be charged, but we're pretty sure it's gonna be more than that. Now you're gonna say, how am I gonna get this thing back to North Carolina? Well, I got contacted by an auto transport company who also has a YouTube channel, and they are based in Sanford, Florida, which is not too far from here, about 30 minutes from here. And I'm going to be doing kind of what they call like a brand partnership with them, where I'll get to drop their name in a couple of videos, and they're going to transport this car back to, you know, the Fayetteville, Fort Bragg area for me for free. So I can't really complain. I was tempted of driving this back for content, but I really don't want to be stranded on the side of the road with the virus and everything else going on right now. So, yeah. But anyways, there you have it. I'm down here hustling and grinding, baby. We got another one, 250 bucks on Facebook. I think that is a hell of a deal. Let me know what you guys think about this car in the comment section down below. The wipers are shot, by the way. I didn't get to show you that. And let me show you that. Wipers are shot, baby. So I think it's best if I load it on the truck, and then we'll take it on a road trip after we get the stuff sorted out that needs to be sorted out on it. But look, man, 250 bucks for a car like this, like I said, it's running, it's driving, it starts, it runs. Like, what else can I ask for? What else could there be? Now, it does have an intermittent start issue. Reminds me of my Envoy, so maybe it needs a starter. Maybe the chip key is bad. I don't know. We'll have to find out. But overall, I'm really happy with this car. I'm really happy with this car. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What would you like to see me do with the Cadillac? Or should I make the Cadillac the next giveaway car? Let me know in the comments.